Students, today halogen derivatives of alkanes last part we are reaching, and I will try to wrap it up. We are discussing factors affecting the rate of SN1 and SN2 mechanism. So which are the factors here and all that? First step, in SN1 mechanism, or we'll put it like this, in SN1 mechanism there is a carbocation formed. Carbocation we will put it like this, since the carbocation there is a in SN1 mechanism there is a carbocation formed. Yes, carbocation formed. There is a lot of empty space provided, and hence in SN1 mechanism carbocation has a lot of empty space around. Okay, it's a planar carbocation and a lot of empty space is surrounding it, and therefore it can react with tertiary halides. Tertiary halides means what? Carbon atoms surrounded by 3 other carbon atoms. Okay? Since planar carbocation is formed and a lot of empty space is provided around it, hence the carbocation reacts with tertiary halides. Means SN1 mechanism generally takes place by the reaction of nucleophile with tertiary halides, whereas in SN2 mechanism, in transition state there is a pentacoordinate carbon formed. Pentacoordinate means a carbon with 5 valencies, and hence there is steric crowding. Steric means structure वर crowding of atoms surrounding the carbon. Since it is pentacoordinate carbon, in transition state pentacoordinate carbon is formed. There is a lot of steric crowding, and hence it undergoes a reaction only with primary halides. It doesn't react with tertiary halides. Point number 1. So primary SN1 mechanism is seen by the reaction of nucleophile with tertiary halides only. Reason because intermediate product is a carbocation with a lot of empty space provided around it. A large number of atoms or groups can be attached to it. That's it. In SN2 mechanism, in the transition state, a pentacoordinate carbon is formed, and that pentacoordinate carbon is overcrowded with neighboring groups and atoms. And since it has a steric crowding, it will react only with primary halides. First. Second point, students, look here. This is the first point. They react. SN1 mechanism is observed in tertiary halides, and SN2 mechanism is observed in primary halides. Okay. Second is that, students, let me tell you again, SN1 mechanism can be stabilized by the plus I effect. SN1 mechanism, in SN1 mechanism, the tertiary halides, or we put it like this, SN1 mechanism, stability of this carbocation can be obtained by plus I effect. तुम्ही मराठीचे plus I effect म्हणजे काय? Plus I म्हणजे plus inductive effect. Plus inductive effect चा अर्थ काय? की हा जो tertiary carbocation तयार होतो ना, हा जो tertiary carbocation असतो ना, जे कोण alkyl groups attach होणार, these alkyl groups are electron donors. They donate their electron to this carbocation, resulting in the stability of this group here. I repeat, SN1 mechanism, the carbocation is stabilized by the plus I effect. Plus I effect means plus inductive effect. Plus inductive effect चा अर्थ काय? Whatever alkyl groups are going to get attached tertiary halides ला, जे का अल्काइल ग्रुप्स ऍड होणार, दिस अल्काइल ग्रुप्स provide electrons. They provide electrons to the carbocation, resulting in its stability. Next, what is a third? Nucleophile. Nucleophile is a species which donates electrons. Which donates electron. More strong the nucleophile, more powerful the attack of the nucleophile on the substrate, more faster is the mechanism. So what is nucleophile here? Nucleophile is a species which generally donates electron to the substrate. Substrate म्हणजे जो reactant आहे तो. So it donates electrons. More the number of electrons with the nucleophile, more is the speed of the nucleophilic attack on the substrate, and more faster the reaction takes place. Next property, fourth is solvation. Solvation चा अर्थ काय? When the solute is dissolved, solvation means when the solute dissolves with the solvent, the solvent molecules, align themselves around the ions of the solute. ह्याला solvation म्हणतात. Students, SN1 mechanism, the speed of SN1 mechanism increases by solvation. Reason काय? ह्याची स्पीड वाढते. Speed of SN1 mechanism increases by solvation. Solvation म्हणजे when the solute is dissolved in the solvent molecules or atoms align around in the form of concentric circles, in the form of a circle around the solute. त्याला solvation म्हणतात. SN1 mechanism, the speed of SN1 mechanism increases with the help of solvation, due to solvation. Reason, because SN1 mechanism, here the rate of reaction does not depend on the nucleophile. The rate of reaction, म्हणून तर त्याला SN1 म्हटलंय. The rate does not depend on the nucleophile, and since it does not depend on the nucleophile, students, हे जे molecules of solvent असतात ना, they align themselves around the nucleophile and remove it from the reaction. Remove it from the reaction. Speed of nucleophile is completely eliminated by solvation by the polar, we will put it like this, by the polar solvents. Okay, what are polar solvents? Polar solvents are the ones जिथं हे solvent hydrogen bonding तयार करणार. So with the help of the solvent molecules align themselves around the nucleophile, and the rate of reaction does not depend on the nucleophile. Nucleophile eliminate केला जातो. त्यामुळे स्पीड वाढते. In SN1 mechanism, solvation increases the speed